In this video, we'll explore landscaping strategies that can significantly increase the value of your home when you decide to sell. Investing wisely in your landscape can yield a substantial return on investment, making it a crucial aspect of property improvement. All right, here we go. Number 1, low maintenance sustainable garden. A well-designed garden enhances your home's curb appeal. Opt for low maintenance features like irrigation systems. Sustainable landscaping practices such as water efficient irrigation and native plantings can boost property value and attract eco-conscious buyers. Number 2, outdoor living spaces. Create adaptable outdoor spaces like a patio, a deck, or a fire pit area. Focus on functional elements that appeal to a broad range of buyers. Avoid highly personalized features like a potting green or elaborate water features. Number 3, utilize difficult terrain. Transform challenging terrain with retaining walls to create usable outdoor areas. Enhance enjoyment, lifestyle, and property value by revitalizing these spaces. Number 4, regular maintenance. Ensure impeccable landscape maintenance when listing your home. Well-maintained lawns, trimmed hedges, and weed-free gardens contribute to a polished appearance. Investing in landscaping wisely can make a substantial difference in your home's value. So let's dive into these strategies and learn how to maximize your property's potential.